Hi and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a functionality that could be incredibly useful for some users. Did you know that certain Android 14 devices allow you to create multiple user accounts or even guest accounts on a single device? This feature is especially handy when you need to lend your phone or tablet to someone else, but you want to keep your personal information private. One common scenario where this comes in handy is when the other user is a child. Based on this channel analytics, I can see that many of you might find this relevant, especially since viewers aged 35 to 44 make up nearly 20% of our views in the last 28 days, and some of you likely have little ones at home. Let's dive in and see how this feature works. On a RedMagic device, this feature is currently available only on the 9 and 9s models. To access it, head to Settings, then select Users and Accounts and click on Multiple Users. In this menu, you can choose to either create a new user account or set up a guest account. If you decide to create a guest account, you'll have the option to pre-select specific applications that will be available during the guest session. In this example, I will include the game GRI. This allows you to control which apps the guest can access, ensuring a more secure and tailored experience for them while keeping the rest of your apps and data private. We can see that a clean desktop with no logged-in user has been created only with the Google services, the basic applications, and the game I manually included. One limitation to note is that when using a guest account, it won't be possible to access the game space, meaning you won't be able to use any of the available plugins. This is a bit disappointing, and I really hope RedMagic can come up with a solution to address this issue in the future. At any time we can come back to the owner account and everything done under the guest account, it will be erased. The process of creating a new user is quite similar. However, when a new user is created, everything done under that session will be saved. It's important to mention that during the setup, you'll be required to either create a new Google account or link to an existing one. This ensures that the new user has access to personalized services and apps tied to their Google account. Once the new user account is set up and linked to a Google account, you'll be able to start installing new applications directly from the Google Play Store. This allows the new user to personalize their experience with apps and settings tailored to their needs. But same as before, the game space functions are not available if we are not connected to the main user. Remember that if a game is included on the guest mode, some additional data will be downloaded to make it work. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this feature helpful, especially if you weren't aware of it before. It might come in handy for you down the line. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content about gaming phones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.